Sometimes sa pagod, there's a lot of factors also that come to play. You don't know kung gaano kapagod ang isang tao when you but I don't think I've ever acted naman ng inappropriately.
Parang wala naman, Isa. Wala akong natatanda ang point ng ganyan.
Wala din kami nadidinig.
Safe! But syempre, di ba it's part of your self-awareness is you know you're not perfect. And maybe you have not been as kind with just how you deliver something, but not abrasive naman na yung to a fault, But at the same time, I really think to the question, I just want to say that it is it is too much care. Yes, perhaps, but it is just not equal to how others are treated. And sometimes I deal with that day in and day out. That it is not a fair world. And you have to live with that.
Uupo ka ba? May upuan ka ba? May upuan ba sila? Sabi ko, ikaw din naman girl eh. Kung umupo ako dyan sa upuan na yan, sasabihin niya sa akin, hindi ka uupo eh, di ba? So kung hindi ka uupo, hindi ako uupo.
Oo naman, ang weird naman nun.
Hindi siya imagine, again to your point, it is not equal. And sometimes it's not even, hindi naman sinasadya ng production yan. Sa totoo, hindi naman nila yung gustong gawin. Ang nangyayari lang talaga is, meron lang mga pagkakataon na nangyayari yun. Kaya ngayon, ang lagi ko talagang mungkahi ay kapag ikaw ay nasa posisyon at estado na tinitingala ka at tinitingnan ka ng mga tao, bawat galaw mo, maging mindful tayo. Kasi at the end of the day, whatever you do as an example to those who cannot speak for themselves, will empower them. Makita ka lang nila na, nirefuse na yung upuan kasi hindi kami lahat uupo. Malaking bagay yun, maiisip nila, ay, pwedeng pagbutihan. And I often always tell my friends, kasi nung isang araw, may mga lumang tao kong na-meet ulit. Lumang tao I call it kasi nag-that anniversary po si Sir Deo. At makikita nila, kapag hanggang ngayon kasi, ako pa rin yung nag-drive. Ako pa rin yung...
I tell her naman to please get a driver.
This
is a safety issue for me.
Especially may morning show pa siya.
Exactly.
Pero kasi, I will tell you bakit hindi ako.
But I get it. I have friends na ganyan.
It's a personal choice.
It's a control issue.
Not even a control. I think
yung safety niya.
For your safety, siyempre.
Safe driver siya.
I'm very safe when I drive because I drive for kids. I have 3 kids. But I will tell you, it's not a control issue because I am somebody who lives with surrendering everything to the Lord, and that has been I'm on surrender. So when you're a person like that, I only drive because it humbles me. Pinapaalala nito sa akin kung saan ako galing. I used to drive my Revo. Alam mo to? I go to my teleserye at kahit nung nagkakadelang ito ako pa rin ang nagmamalero. Ngayon na nga lang kaya sumasama si Papa B kasi ayaw niya nang mag-isa ako sa gabi dahil malayo ang location.
At sabi ko talaga sa kanya, ha?
Pumukha na ng driver.
Sabi ko, hindi, or like, magpa-drive ka kay Papa B.
No, so si Boy talaga, kahit alam niya na kaya kong gawin to, he allows me kasi parte ng proseso ko bilang artista, ang manatili kung saan yung puso ko, kilala ko pa. Ayokong mawala yun.
Siyempre nakatapak yung paa mo sa lupa.
Hindi, tsaka kasi kung pag lumalaki yung kinikita mo, may tendency ka talagang
mag-adjust din yung...
medyo proud sa sarili mo at nag-a-adjust ang ugali mo. Ngayon, ayoko yung adjustment na yun. My goal in life ay pag tinignan ko ang sarili ko sa salamin bawat umaga, kilala ko pa siya at gusto ko pa siyang makasama. Dahil kung hindi ko na gusto ang sarili ko, may problema tayo. And driving for myself, having to get my clothes, and I still do this on shoots up until this point, helps me. So maaaring hindi maintindihan ng iba yung decision na yun. Pero para sa akin, it helps me ground myself. At ipaalala sa akin, Hoy Dimples, ganito ka nagsimula Kaya pag natapos to, hanggat kaya mo, ganito pa rin. Pero buti na lang may mga nagmamahal sa akin kagaya ng asawa ko. Minsan dinadrive niya ako. At may libre pa yung kiss.
Wow. I think it's very admirable and it's
lagi na kasi ni Isa, Hoy Papa B, ang sweet naman.
No, I think it's very admirable that but it's what you're used to.
Yeah,
and it's sometimes hard to, because syempre ako naman, just because I have a PA and a driver, it doesn't mean I'm not nakatapak sa lupa, diba? It doesn't follow. It's a personal choice. So, parang, yes, I do have that because there are things that I'm more comfortable na hindi ko kaya yung kapag mamanehuhin mo ko ng, hindi, I'm not a very confident driver. So, you know, and then we have different needs, diba? So parang, but I do love that. I know that, you know, sometimes when my PA is not there and it's just me in a shoot, iba yung sense of empowerment mo din eh, na ikaw yung nakakagawa ng, alam mo yun, yung parang, pero nasanay ka rin, and syempre, you also provide jobs for people, yung ganyan. So parang, or actually, sa totoo lang, yung mga kasama ko, sila yung ano ko eh, safety net ko. Sa set, yung ano yan eh, yung parang
sense of security.
Sense of security mo.
Security
Kasi
blanket.
ano eh, parang hindi mo, kayo na yung, alam mo, mga kasama ko, simula Encantadia pa. Yung isa, simula Beauty Queen pa. Alam mo yung, talagang, I like to keep the people close to me because they are also my reminders of who I am. And there may have been times that you kind of lose sight of just where you are and you kind of get lost. And so it's always nice to be humbled. And often it is God who humbles you if you don't listen. And that's my experience. At nangyari siya talaga. Nangyari na yan sa akin. I mean, di ba, yung parang, and it's, I love that season in my life because it makes me a better human.
Saka mas masaya pag may kasama, di ba?
Just to clarify.
Depende din. Depende sa kasama.
Agree.
Just to clarify, sa production na ito, well taken care of.
Ay,
Yung mga kasaisipin
sobra!
Kasi po sila talaga ang tunay ng mga caretakers.
We're talking about in general as a whole. Iba talaga po. Sobra naman po kami lalo. Kasi we're talking about artistas in general.
Yes. Sa tagal nyo na rin kasi sa dami na experience ninyo.
And no, we're talking about just how things are. Like, everywhere. That there's not air content for everybody. And why? Because we have makeup. We have to look a certain way, and that's understandable. But, you know, the dream is that everybody will have at least some kind of ventilation. So, Rain and Regal in this production, Caretakers, has taken it already one step beyond.
Very personalized.
Craft service.
Yeah. Very
Craft
personalized.
service is unheard of. I
Bongga.
mean, free coffee. But may 3-in-1 naman talaga before pa. Pero this is because they love coffee. So, dinadala nila yung coffee machine nila. And fruits for everybody. And cookies. Ayun na nakikita ko. And that's for all
Ang sarap din
At
ang
walang
magmahal.
special cookies yung artista. Wala kaming special for artists only. Wala nakalagay yan.
Para sa lahat.
Yes. So,